Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE Z-71 Double Cab truck. On the exterior of this truck, we have power and heated door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, running boards, spray-in bedliner, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 6 with heated front seats, illuminated entry, integrated trailer brake control, and remote keyless entry. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display comes with Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2018 GMC Sierra has less than 60,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.